Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Temperance in reverse, Two of Wands in reverse and Ace of Wands in reverse. Leos, so it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, guys. Maybe today you have people with you who are not accepting your way of things, maybe some decisions in your work. Maybe they have their own opinions, ideas, and they want to proceed in their own way. So some kind of a clash of ideas or suggestions. So it's not working out. You are not having that team spirit or that sense of friendship in your work situation, maybe, or it may be in your relationship. Maybe this person is not accepting your ideas or your vision and they are maybe arguing with you. So it is giving you a lot of stress because of that, and your interests are different or the way you perceive things are different. So some kind of misunderstandings because of that. And Leos, for some of you, I see that you are putting in relentless efforts. You are working really hard, trying your best, doing your best, using your skills, talents and concentration in your work to see success. But the results you get, it is not something you expected. So for all that work you have put in, the returns are much less. So even though it is a success, even though things are going in a positive way, it is not up to the expectation you had for yourself, for your circumstance today, guys, Leos. But you need not worry, guys. Maybe you are having some fears or worries about your future, maybe about this love. Maybe you do not share a great compatibility, maybe, and you are worried or you are afraid where this connection will go or what will happen between you both. But I see that there is some kind of a change happening. So something is going to catch you by surprise. Maybe this person surprising you with gifts, maybe, and they are coming to visit you, spend time with you. So some kind of an change in your circumstance is happening, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is Death. So it is not a negative card, guys. It just means that you are going to see changes, positive changes. And maybe for some of you, it may be something that is not working. It may be some concepts you had which are not working. All that is going to go. Or for some of you, very rarely, it may even mean that end of a relationship that is not working and you are moving towards a new relationship. But I see that end of some negative thoughts or concepts, whatever you had, and you are changing your perception. So that is what I see, guys, with this card, and you are moving towards a better understanding. That is what I see, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Wheel of Fortune. So looks like you are going to see good changes in your work situation. Whatever is destined is definitely reaching you, guys, all that happiness, success and prosperity. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, the second card. Let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. It's a Crystal Spirits card here, guys, we have. And it is Pesartan Garnet. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in this relationship or in your circumstance today, you have some kind of fear or something is holding you back from showing the other person what you truly are. And you are trying hard maybe to make people like you. But you need to understand that the person who is your perfect match, who is your soulmate, is waiting for you, and this person will love you for what you are, what you truly are, not for what you are trying to show about yourself, guys. So you need not worry. You are attractive, beautiful, and you are a beautiful soul as you are, and you need not feel worried or feel any kind of inhibition in showing your true nature, your true personality, your true characteristics. And you need not worry that other people may not feel comfortable with you, seeing you that way. So the right person is coming towards you, and you just have to show your authentic self in any situation. Stop hiding what you truly are, and stop trying to hide out of fear for other person, guys. And today is the right time you need to do that, and you need to realize that you are attractive and beautiful as you are, and this may be the time, the right time. Your soulmate will also recognize all that is attractive in you, and they will come towards you. You just have to be what you are truly, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card, the second card. It is the Wild Swans. Dedication. So this card just means that your story is a story of sacrifice. You have done a lot. You are doing a lot of things, sacrificing yourself, maybe physically, emotionally, but your sacrifice is without recognition. and you are doing it out of love for the other person, for someone in your life. And your sacrifice, it may look like a madness to the people around you. Maybe you are not revealing the truth behind your actions. So that may be the reason. Maybe you are devoted to some task or a mission. You have that single mindedness in your work or in the task that lies ahead of you. It may look like madness. People may see you as someone engrossed in work, not interested to communicate to others. But you are doing something for a greater purpose today, guys. So you are moving towards the greater good of someone you love, and you are going to bring a great change in others' lives, guys, other person's life. And maybe we do not appreciate the work of a scientist or a great artist when they are immersed in their work. Only when we see the final results, we know the potential of their work, and we have the evidence of their skills and talents and their one single-minded passion. So you are doing something like that in your situation, or there is someone doing something like that in your situation, guys. And this is not the time for being judgmental. You just have to see the truth. Maybe your actions or this person's actions may appear bizarre, but they are doing it out of love, and there may be a time coming very soon when they are going to explain things to you guys. And maybe they do not need your approval, or if it is your situation, you do not need others' approval. Maybe you are doing something for a greater good for everyone, but a time will come when you will explain your actions, or when that other person is going to explain their actions. So the time for that great breakthrough is not very far, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.